In this chapter, we are going to start class 10th probability, which is a very important exam point of view, and also you will study this chapter in the class 11th and 12th. So this chapter is very important. So let's start this chapter. In this part, we are going to discuss about the learning. What is a learning objective? What we will learn in this chapter. So define the classical probability, analyze theoretical probability and its historical evolution from gambling to science, and also we are analyzing like simple space and master outcome calculation for the dice standard 52 cards and all those things we will discuss. And if you talk about the classify event type, like we have impossible, sure and certain event, then elementary event, then we have a complementary events. Then also we will learn apply core axioms like utilizing the rules of unity and the complementary logic, like PE plus P not equal to 1. We will discuss what is P and P not in this chapter. And excellence in exams, execute step by steps solution strictly aligned with CBSE board marking rubrics. We will also discuss. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the same things in this part. Like what is the history of probability? Like in 16th century, J. Corden is the Italian physician and gambler author, the book of the game's chances and the first systematic mathematical treatment of the probability he has given. In 18th century, Bernoulli de Morbey and James Bonnardi and Abraham de Morbey expanded probability into formal calculation and limit theorem. You will also see in 1812, Pierre Simpson Laplace published theoretical analytical the probability, established the classical definition in CBSE syllabus today. What is the modern applications of probability, where we use probability? In this part you will see economic and stock market risk modeling we will discuss. We will see genetics and DNA inheritance tracking we will also see, and quantum physics and weather forecasting we will see, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this area we apply the probability. And then what is the key terms, like experimental and trial, an operation or process that led to the well-defined measurable outcome. So where there is a measurable outcome, that is called experiment or trial. Like real world में tossing a coin, tossing a fair coins, rolling a dice. So these are the experiment. If you are tossing a coin or if you are rolling a dice, that is called experimental trial. And empirical probability, like rationalized based on the actual history data or perform experiment, that P equal to observe frequency upon total trials. In 9th class we are, and class 10th we will see the theoretical probability, predict the outcome using the logical symmetric without physically conducting the experiment. Okay, so next part we will see equally likely outcome. What is equally likely? An experiment outcome are equally likely if there is no single outcome is systematically favored over the another due to symmetry or fairness. So this is the definition of equally likely. Like valid scenario is equally likely. Valid scenario, like tossing unbiased symmetrical coins landing on the header or tails has identical physical probability. So if you toss a coins that is unbiased and they are landing head or tail, so that is equally likely because their chances are 50%. Invalid scenario is not equally likely. Starting a car, the outcome is car start, car does not start, or not equally likely unless the car is broken. Okay, and formula for this we will discuss, like primary mathematical tool for solving CBSE board class 10th. So we have a PE, number of the outcome favorable to E upon total number of possible outcome. So SN, N E upon N S. S is a total number of sample space here. Okay, So favorable outcome is the number of elementary outcome in the sample space that satisfy the specific condition stated in the event E. And total sample space is a total possible outcome. Total possible outcome. The total counts of the all the possibility like mutually exclusive, equally likely outcome of the random experiment. So this is called total sample space. Probability scale, if that is a type of we have a probability like impossible event, we can say a certain and sure event. So if that is a certain and sure event, so their possibility will be 1, and if that is an impossible event, so their probability will be 0, and there is a even chances like equally likely, so there is a 50% chances. So probability lies between 0 to 1, either list that is a 0, otherwise it will be equal to 1. So probability lie between these ranges, not go beyond this one. If that is going beyond this one or this one, so that is a not probability. Probability never be negative or never be exceed 1. So it cannot be more than 1 or negative. Your answer is 0.2 and 0. Check the denominator immediately. Impossible event, an event that has a 0 outcome satisfying its condition, its probability is strictly 0. Like P impossible event, their probability will be 0. Like rolling 8 on the standard dice containing number 1 to 6, so that is impossible. And sure event or certain event, an event that integrate all the possible income in the sample space, its probability is strictly 1. Sure event is 1. Getting a number less than 7 when rolling a standard 6-sided dice, so that is a sure event. And what is the elementary event or unity? So elementary events are unity, like definition event, elementary events, and events having exactly one outcome of the random experiment is called elementary events. The rules of the unity: the sum of all the probability of all the events of an experiment is always equal to 1. Like Pe1 plus Pe2 plus ... Pan equal to 1. So whatever is the possibility of the probability of all the elementary events, though if you are going to sum, that will their sum will be 1. Like verification, if there is a one red, one blue and one yellow balls on the same side, and probability of red is 1 by 3, probability of blue is 1 by 3, and probability of yellow is 1 by 3. If you are going to add all the probability like 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 3, and their value will be 1. Okay. Complementary events. Complementary event, an event is not P, so Pe plus Pe not equal to 1. So this is the formula. The highly effective for solving at least one are not getting. Sangeeta and Reshma play a tennis match. The probability of Sangeeta's winning is 0.62, and what is the probability of Reshma's winning? So since one winning implies the other losing, so here PR equal to 1 minus PS. So PR equal to 1 minus 6.62, that is a 0.38. And tossing, coins tossing, like coins 1, if you are going to toss, there will be a possibility of head and tails. So there is a one time tossing, so it will be 2 to the power 1. So total outcome will be 2. If you are going to toss 2 times, so it will be 2 to the power 2. So there will be 4 outcomes like HH, HT, TH and TT. And if you are going to toss 3 times, 2 to the power 3, so that will be 8. And their possibility is HH, HHT, HTH, THH, triple T, TTH, THT and HTT. So these are all the possibility for if you are going to toss 3 times. So if you are tossing 3 times or 1 after 3 times, so their possibility will be 1. tossing 3 coins once mathematically identical to tossing 1 coin 3 times sequentially. Dice roll analysis, 2 6 if their sum is 8, event is sum is 8, and their possibility is 2 time is tossing, so it will be 6 to the power 2, so that will be 36. Okay, and what is the possibility that their sum will be 8? So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So total possibility P sum 8 equal to, that is 5 by 36. If you talk about mastering the playing cards, so playing cards, we have 52 cards, in which 26 is the black card and the 26 is a red card. And black we have a spade 13 and club is also 13. In the red suit, heart is 13 and a diamond is also 13. So face card we have like a king, queen and jack. In each suits, this one, this one, this one and this one, all has each has 3 face card. One is a king, one is a queen and one is a jack. So total we have 4, there is a 4 suit, so 3 into 4, that will be 12 face card. 12 face card. And total is a card is 4, because each suit has a first number is a 4. There is a first number is a card, and then there is a number 2 3 dot 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 10. After that 11 is king, 12 is queen and 13 is jack card. So now in this way we can find the probability of each type of cards. Then step by step solutions, dice thrown, like P for prime number between 2 and 6. So solution is 1 2 3 4 5. This is our possible outcome. What is a prime number? Like 2 3 and 5. These are the 3 prime numbers. So total PE1 is a 3. So PE1 is a 3 by 6. And 2 to 2, between 2 and 6 there is a 1 2 3. 3 numbers are also there. So PE2 is a 3 by 2. Their probability is also 1 by 2. Hanif's games 3 coins. Hanif's win if all the tosses give the same result, like 3H or 3T, otherwise loses. Find the loss. So total possible is 8. Winning outcome is HH, that is 2. So losing outcome is 8 minus 2, that is 6. So P loss, Hanif loss कर रहा है. So in this part we will take that is 6 by 8. Drawing one card from 52 cards. One card is drawn from will separate 52 deck card. Calculate the probability that card will be an A card and not an card. A card is how much? Total 4, and not A card is 48. So we have 4 upon 52, because total is 52 A card, and not A card is 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 13, that is 12 by 13, or you can say 48 by 52. Geometric probability, when an outcome is a continuous region like area or time, probability is evaluated using geometric ratios. Like region 9 into 4.5 kilometer, or left side indicate 3 into 2.5 kilometer. So that is a 7.25 kilometer square, that will be area. So P crash in the lake, that is a 7.5 by 40.5. So it is a 5 by 27. And the case musical chairs, musical stopped randomly with 2 times. Find the P stop in first 25 seconds. So that is a P time 0.5 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Common mistakes Answer without the step. Writing direct answers like 1 by 2 in 2 marks or 3 marks questions. Always write given, formula, substitute, then answer. So what is a given, what is a formula, what is a substitution? If in this way, otherwise you will miss the marks. Mistake: missing the word not. Solving PE when the question is asked not E, so or vice versa. Underline not or neither with the pencil underline upon reading. Mistake 3: unsimplify factor. Leaving fraction like or without reducing. So fix, always reduce the fraction to the lowest terms. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. And strategy for checkpoints: 5-minute pre-submission checklist. Did you define events clearly? Like let's E be the events of. Is the total sample space count written at the top? Yes. Do you simplify all the final fraction answer? Or did you double check that that is between 0 to 1 if the probability is between 0 to 1? Partial marking benefits: even if calculating go wrongs, stating total sample space or events formula guarantees 50% to 70% partial marks. Recommended time allocation: section 1 1 marks 1.5 minutes, section B 2 marks 3 minutes, and section C or D 3 to 5 marks. You have 5 to 7 minutes you have to given. Then a competency case study: a scenario of 1000 schools regarding their computer lab assets is the following data. Like number of schools, we have number of computer 1 to 10, 250 schools, 11 to 20 that is 200, and 21 to 50 that is 290, and 50 to 100 we have 180, and 100 plus we have 80. So more than 100 computer. So favorable is 80. So 80 upon 1000, 80 upon 1000. Fewer, 50 or fewer, that is how much? It's 250, 290. So these three will become in the part. So that is total 740 and upon 1000. And 10 or fewer, we have only one, this one, that is 250. So 250 upon 1000, that is 0.25. Level 1 and 2, probability of winning a game is this one. What is the loss? So we have to subtract only 1.5 minus 7, that is 2.21. Because we know PE plus PE naught equal to 1. So win we have a 0.79. So PE naught, that is a loss. Okay. So you can say loss equal to 1 minus 0.79. So it will be 0.21. A bag contains 5 red and green balls. If probability of PG, that is a 3 times PR. Probability of green is 3 times PR. So N upon 5 plus G, that is P upon 5 plus E plus B. So N equal to 15. There are 5. The probability of green is how much? N upon 5 plus N. And 3 times probability of red, that is 5 upon 5 plus N. So if you are going to multiply this one and this one, it will be cancel out. So N equal to 3 into 5. That will be 15. Find the sum of 11 when the rolling at 2 dice. So we have a 2 number 5, 6 and 6, 5. So it will be 2 upon 36, 1 by 18. Question number 4. A letter is chosen from mobile. Find the vowels number. So vowel is how much? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 numbers, 3 upon total, that is 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. What is a red from drawn of 52 card? So red is how much? 2. So 2 upon 52, that is 1 by 26. And Olympiad and hot challenge, order thinking problems in book library are numbered strictly from 61 to 80. One book is selected at random. Calculate the probability that number is a multiple of 8 or a prime number. So step by step analysis lies counting from 61 to 80. So we have 60 plus 1, that is a total 20. Multiple of 8 is 64, 72 and 80, that is 3 times. Prime number we have 61, 67, 60, 71, 73 and 79, that is 5 times prime number. Check overlaps. No prime no number is both multiple of 8 and prime number. So total we have a 3 plus 5, that is 8. So 8 upon 20. So favorable is 8 upon 20. That is 2 by 5. Revision summary and exam skills, we have a formula. This one, probability of any problem is between 0 to 1. Impossible event, their probability is 0. If there is certain event, their probability is 1. If the sum of the elementary is 1. Complementary law, PE plus PE naught is a 1. PE not equal to 1 minus PE. So great for not and at least problems. And key sample is space, coins, outcomes, dice 6 and card 52, 12 face card and 4 egg card. Which cannot be probability, like this one in minus, so this is not probability. Sum greater than 10 on rolling 2 dice. So 5 6, 6 5 and 6 6. So there is a 3. So we can say 1 by 3 by 36. So it is a 1 by 12. Probability of a card drawn is not an egg card. So how is a 4 is a egg card there? The total is 48 egg card, that is not. So 48 upon 52. So 12 by 13. And if then a P is Q, so Q square minus 4. So Q equal to 4 minus 4. So in this way we have finished this chapter. If you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.